This glazed salmon dish packs so much flavor with each bite, being full of sweet and savory flavors with a slight kiss of spice. Delicate textures make this recipe a must for weeknight dinners. Hello and welcome to Cozymeal Studios. Today we'll be cooking honey garlic glazed salmon. It's loaded with vitamins, high in protein, and packed with omega-3. This is, with no doubt, a very nutritious meal. But before we begin, let's first hit like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell. And now, let's get cooking. Let's begin by first preparing our marinade honey garlic sauce. So, in a large bowl, let's add a 1/3 cup of honey, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, or tamari if you'd prefer to have a gluten-free experience, 2 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter, 2 tablespoons of avocado or olive oil, 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, 2 tablespoons of lime or lemon juice, and 1 tablespoon of Sriracha sauce. Then whisk everything together until well combined. Then let's transfer half of the sauce to a zip-top bag or a bowl and add 4 salmon fillets. This will allow the salmon fillets to marinate and absorb all of that honey garlic sauce. Let's also refrigerate the remaining half of the sauce. Now preheat the broiler and place an oven rack about 6 to 8 inches from the broiler. Then prepare a sheet pan lined with aluminum foil and coat the foil with non-stick cooking spray. Remove the salmon from the sauce, making sure to remove the excess and place it skin side down on the prepared baking sheet. Let's now broil the salmon for about 10 minutes or until the salmon is opaque and easily flaked on the side with a fork. Make sure to wash the salmon as the marinade has honey and could easily cause it to burn. If the salmon is not cooked through after 10 minutes, bake it in a 400-degree oven until cooked through. While the salmon is roasting, let's prepare the honey garlic sauce. So, in a small saucepan, add the reserved honey garlic sauce and bring to a simmer. In a separate small bowl, stir together 1 tablespoon of cornstarch with 2 tablespoons of water. Then, add this mixture into the simmering sauce and stir until thickened. Let's finalize by drizzling the sauce over the salmon fillets and garnishing with scallions and sesame seeds. Serve with steamed rice and vegetables and enjoy. If you enjoyed this recipe, be sure to check our description box because there you can view all the written steps, check notes, and even click on our website link at cozymeal.com/recipes where you can read about more delicious recipes for your weeknight dinners. Also, please do not forget to leave a like on this video and share this recipe with all your friends and all your family. Remind them about their weekly intake of omega-3. As always, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you all in our next video recipe.